Welcome back, folks. We are back with a new video today. We are going to discuss how you can refinance your credit card debt using lending platforms. We will know what are the best platforms to apply for and also what is the actual application process you need to follow, etc. If you want to directly visit the official websites, check out the description. Here you have official links directly leading to the lending platforms. So let's get started. Top 5 refinance credit card debt lending platforms. Viva Payday Loans. Viva Payday Loans are a popular choice for refinancing credit card debt, offering loans ranging from $100 to $5,000 with repayment periods between 2 to 24 months. The application process is straightforward and entirely online, allowing borrowers to access funds quickly. To qualify for applying at the Viva Payday Loans, you need to be a US citizen and need to be 18 years old. Even if you have a bad credit score or no credit score, you can still apply for Viva Payday Loans. They check borrowers' income levels instead of credit checks, which can be a great option for most borrowers who are looking to get loans without any credit checks. Prestamors USA. Prestamors USA is another great option for refinancing credit card debt. Known for its fast loan approval process, Prestamors USA offers both secured and unsecured loans with flexible terms and varying interest rates. They provide loans for all US citizens who are over 18 years old, have a checking account, and can provide proof of income. Also, Prestamors USA is perfect for people who have poor credit scores. They ensure a wide range of borrowers can access their services. The application process is simple and can be completed entirely online. Big Buck Loans. Next on our list, we have the Big Buck Loans. It also offers a solution for those seeking to refinance credit card debt, providing loan amounts from $100 to $5,000 with repayment terms of 3 to 24 months. The application process is quick and user-friendly, with no hidden fees or unnecessary paperwork. Big Buck Loans partners with a large network of lenders to offer competitive interest rates ranging from 5.99% to 35.99%. The eligibility criteria at Big Buck Loans are similar to the other lending platforms on the list that we mentioned before. Big Buck Loans also offers a 24-hour loan approval option, so if you want quick cash, then Big Buck Loans is the way to go. Green Dollar Loans. Later on the list, we have the Green Dollar Loans. It is one of the most preferred platforms for borrowers who have less than perfect credit scores and are looking to refinance credit and debt. The platform offers loans from $100 to $5,000 with a simple online application process and approval times usually in 24 hours. Green Dollar Loans connect borrowers with a wide network of lenders, providing transparent terms and conditions with no hidden fees. However, applicants must be US residents, need to be above the age of 18 years old, and need to have a stable monthly income source. Low Credit Finance. Finally, we have on our list Low Credit Finance. This lending platform mostly works as a marketplace to link borrowers with a network of lenders for refinancing credit card debt. Low Credit Finance is one of the best platforms for low credit score borrowers, and they also offer quick decisions and potential approval within 60 minutes. You can get loan amounts of up to $50,000 depending on the borrower's eligibility and needs. However, you need to follow their eligibility criteria, which are the same as the other lending platforms on the list, and the interest rates vary based on the lenders you are connected with. How to apply for a refinance credit card lending platforms. To apply for a lending platform to refinance your credit card is quite simple and easy. You just need to follow some simple steps. First, understand your financial situation and know what interest rates you can afford. Then, select a lending platform that best suits your needs and requirements. Try to select a platform that has low interest rates and fast approval rates. Once you select the lending platform, visit the official website of the lending platform, fill out the application, and submit your documents after the application process approval. You will get connected to a potential lender. This lender will provide you with your required loan amount. They will give you a loan agreement, including the interest rates and loan amounts they can provide. Check the agreement, and if you are satisfied, sign the agreement, and you will get the loan in the next 24 hours directly to your bank account. Conclusion. To sum up all the information, refinancing your credit card debt can be easily and quickly done with the help of financial lending platforms. You can easily apply at their platforms and get the required loan amount easily and quickly. To get the best lending platform, choose one of the lending platforms that we have mentioned in the video. To get the links to these official website lending platforms, check out the description. That's it for today's video. See you in a new one.